Jocelyn, get up and read. What is the topic?
My class in the chair.
The table. Good. Sit down. Monish, read the book. Very good. Next. Very good. Next. Next. Very good. Very good. The table. Good. Sit down. Tamil. Sit down. Sit down. Good. Very good. Jishnu, get up. What is the topic? My classroom. The chair. The table. The book. Next. Turn the page. Sit down. Sudiksha, get up. No pages. Sit down. Adini, get up. Say loudly. My classroom. Keep the finger on the book. Keep the finger on the book. Good. Lakshna, get up. Good.